Hello, my name is Lilian. Welcome to my channel. We all have moments when we need to wash our hair, like we know that our hair is dirty, but we don't have time to go through the long hours of wash days. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do at times like this. But before going to the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get inspired whenever I post videos. I have here my spray bottle filled with water, duduosun black soap. Now, if you've watched my previous wash day videos, you know that I use my black soap in form of shampoo. I melt it and put it, make it into shampoo. But I stopped doing that recently because well, I don't see the need for that anymore. So I use this soap as is. I've used the soap so many times. So like it's small. This is not how it looks from the packet. It's a lot bigger, but it's now very small. So I now use it as a bar like this without melting it and turning it into shampoo. I'll spritz the section with some water. So I get this section wet. And then I go ahead to apply the shampoo. Don't forget your scalp. So I'll just rub against my scalp too. I'm basically using it to scrub my scalp. I fell in love with using solid shampoo since that time I used the solid shampoo from Origin Tear. I did a review here on my channel, so I'm going to leave the link in the card in case you guys don't see that. So after using the Origin Tear shampoo, I just fell in love with using solid shampoo. So that's why I stopped melting my duduosun into shampoos to wash my hair. For you guys, I wet my hair and now I'm just applying the soap. Take note, like notice how I'm applying the soap on my hair. Like I'm not like scrubbing it or like just applying it anyhow in such a way that it will cause tangle. So like I'm just like gliding it down my hair gently, so that I do not encounter any form of breakage or anything like that. So when I'm done applying on my hair, I use the soap to scrub my scalp. Now I know that most people say that when you're washing your hair, you should basically wash your scalp. I've said it before on my channel that you should just focus on your scalp and just let the shampoo run down the rest of your hair while you're rinsing. That there's no need applying shampoo on all over your hair. I know I said that, but the longer you stay natural, the more you realize that sometimes you need to like go in to wash your entire head. Washing the scalp and just allowing the shampoo to run down the rest of your hair is something that you can do like from time to time, but it's not something that you should do exclusively. Like you should not bother washing your hair. Most times I do that, but sometimes when I really want to go in, like to make sure my hair is completely clean, I apply the shampoo all over my entire hair to make sure that I get it squeaky clean. Because if you keep applying products on your hair and you depend on just the little shampoo that runs down your hair as you rinse, you're going to end up having build up over time. So I recommend that from time to time you should ensure that you wash like the whole of your hair, like from root to end. You should ensure that you do that from time to time. So I'm putting that in bantu knot to get it out of the way. My soap just broke into two, but anyway, so I'm going to be using half of this. Scrub the scalp. Now that it's broken, it's a lot difficult to work with. If this is your first time using this method, make sure that you use whole soap, like, because if you use soap that is broken, you might have like particles of the soap. Especially if you're using like a soft black soap, you might have particles of the soap stuck in your hair, and that will just make the whole process very difficult. So make sure you use whole soap to do this. When I'm done with each section, wrap it up. Bantu knots. I'm done applying the soap all over my hair. I have a total of 6 bantu knots. Because I'm trying to make my wash day really fast, I'm not going to be doing any DIY hair mask or DIY treatment or anything, or deep conditioner or anything. So I'll just be washing and styling. Now I'm going straight into the shower. I'm done from the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. I wrapped it into 2. As you can see, like the root, the base is really loose. Like I can put my fingers into it. I did it this way so that I did not put too much tension on my roots and on my edges. As you all know, or maybe you don't know, tangling starts from the end. So I wrapped the ends tightly so that it doesn't tangle up as it dries. Overall, this is how much hair I lost. Very, 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 very small. I like wash days because I lose way less hair than regular wash days that I tangle and style and do stuff like that. So you know what they say, less is more. Normally I'll leave my hair like this until when I'm ready to style, which can be maybe the same day or days later. Or these days I've been, I would call it lazy. I've been taking care of my hair, but like I've not really been too particular about following rules and stuff. I think I'm more liberal with my hair these days, and I'm happier. Like it has made my life a lot easier. Like when I know that my hair is not getting in the way of me living my life. So I'm really happy about like how I've been handling my hair lately. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.